How he know where the stash at? The knockers don't know, but he do. Cause some niggas snitching.
Man, ain't nobody gotta be snitching for Omar, one of his boys, to creep by and see where the stash at.
Damn, Bodie. Fuck that nigga up.
They stunk these days.
In Henry County during we are learning more about the 18-year-old who was thrown from his home in Henry County during that tornado.
Tray Chaney, an actor known for his role on HBO's The Wire, says his 18-year-old son Malik is right now in the hospital in critical condition. 11 Alive's Malik shares his message of hope tonight.
Man, cherish life as much as you can.
In a moment.
And my wall was coming towards my face, and my body levitated.
Life changed for Tray Chaney.
So I was yelling Malachi's name out. Malachi, where you at? But when I came from under the covers, this is what I seen.
He later learned his son was thrown 300 feet from their home.
My message, hug on your loved ones. Cause snap of a finger, it could be over with. I'm fortunate to still be alive to be able to talk.
Telling us Malachi is in the ICU with broken ribs and fractures in his face.
We experienced something tragic together that we'll always forever be able to look back on and say we overcame that. My son is he just finished his freshman year at Savannah State University. Sorry, y'all.
Knowing recovery, healing will take time.
He coming along, but the fact that he's in ICU, and I came away with just this scratch on my face, a bump on my head. I wish we could trade places.
Malik, 11 Alive News.
Fight!